Okay, box plots, box plots. The box plot displays summary data based on the number of tacos sold daily by a food truck. What is the median? What is the median? Remember, on a box plot, this basically gives us five pieces of data information. It gives us the minimum number here. So in this case, minimum number of tacos sold daily gives us the maximum number of tacos sold daily. The interquartile range is where the box itself starts through where the box itself ends. And then it does tell us the median. Where does the line in the box, where does that line fall? So the median for this number of tacos sold daily, the line drops here at 115. 115 tacos. Woohoo! Here we go for number 4. Here are two box plots. Box plot A, box plot B. They both go from 95 to 115. The minimum here is what, probably 97, 98, something like that. The maximum is 115. Down here, the minimum is probably like 96 and the maximum is probably like 113. And then we have our interquartile ranges, which is the start of the box to the end of the box, and then our medians, which is the line that's within the box. So which box plot has a greater median? Well, we're looking at the line that's inside the boxes and where do they fall and which one is bigger. So that would be box plot A falls at around 105. Box plot B falls at around 103. So box plot A has the greater median. Okay. Which box plot has a greater measure of variability? Greater measure of variability. So what we would do is figure out which one has more of a range from beginning to end, and that is box plot B. There you go.